Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open up a savings account with Atom Bank online. So this is really straightforward, but make sure to stick around so you don't miss anything. So first, open up your browser and go to the Atom Bank's website. From here, you then have to navigate to the savings section. So you'll then be able to see that they offer options like Instant Saver Reward, and Fixed Saver. So each account is tailored to different saving goals. So for example, if you pick the Instant Saver, you'll see that you can literally open it with £0. You also have unlimited withdrawals and you're free to add or remove money whenever you like. So once you've decided which account you want, the next part is app-based. You have to download the Atom Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then simply register and apply through the app. Everything happens there and there's literally no need for a branch or minimal paperwork. So while you go through the app, you then have to set up your identity verification, link a UK current account under your name so money can flow in and out, and then you will literally be ready to start saving. So Atom also mentions you can open up an account in minutes and it's all done via the app. And that's really it. So if you follow all the steps, you'll literally be able to open your account in no time. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we will see you on the next one.